Hi everyone, today we will be explaining how to set up SI Retail's Versa Gondola system. Before you begin, make sure you have a rubber mallet handy. For safety reasons, we recommend having 2 people to assist with assembly. Made from heavy-duty metal components, Versa gondolas feature strengthened shelves to hold a variety of different products for all retail environments.
Part 1. Setting up a double-sided start bay.
When assembling your gondola, you will need base feet, uprights, backing panels, and base shelves. The quantity needed for each component will depend on whether you are assembling a single or double-sided bay, the height of the bay, and whether it is a start or add bay. Firstly, ensure you are working on a flat surface. Then identify the top and bottom of your upright to ensure correct placement. The top of the upright will have slits on top, and the bottom will have 2 circular holes on the sides. Then take one of your base feet and insert it into the slits on the upright.
Begin by attaching the base feet to the upright posts.
You may need to use a rubber mallet or gently tap it into place.
Tap on the floor to ensure all feet are in properly. Assemble all uprights and base feet for each bay. Connect the feet to both sides of the upright posts for a double-sided bay.
Make sure you are using the right size base foot depending on whether you are using under-shelf drawers. Once fully assembled, adjust the levelers on the bottom of the base feet if surfaces are uneven. When using under-shelf drawers, wind the levelers all the way up. Proceed to do the same with your second foot and upright if assembling a start bay. If you are setting up a double-sided bay, make sure there are feet on either side of the upright.
Again, tap the assembly upright on the floor to ensure the feet are in. Assemble all upright posts and base feet.
You can then place your base shelf on top of the base feet.
The base shelf helps square up the feet and posts. Ensure the shelf is sitting correctly within the base feet channel.
At this point, if you are including an end cap, you can fasten the end cap tie bars onto the top and bottom of both uprights .
Use the spanner supplied to tighten the nuts onto the bolts. Leave the top hole on the end cap side until after the end cap is on. Part 2. Adding an end cap. Slide the centre of the end cap onto the side of the upright post. Now, secure the top hole by screwing the tie bar through the base of the end cap. Fasten the nut to the bolt. Then use the spanner to secure the nut to the bolt. Now you can add the other shelf or leave it off until after the back panels are installed. Move the shelves away to make it easier to install the back panels.
You can now begin to add the backing panels by slotting them into each upright. Start with the shortest panels at the bottom and work your way to the top.
Repeat the process and add panels to the other side of the gondola. Place the shelves back into position once all the panels are on. Add shelf brackets and shelves, ensuring each side aligns with the other. Add all remaining shelf brackets and shelves. Assemble the sign holder. Open the bag containing 2 brackets, 2 screws, nuts and mini spanner. The second plate is only required for grid mesh applications. Top covers with slits are required for adding a sign holder to your gondola. Insert the sign holder onto the slits located on the top covers. Use the screws and nuts provided to secure the sign holder to the top cover. Tighten the nut to the back of the screw using the mini spanner supplied. The acrylic artwork covers sit in the sign holder groove, in front of and behind your artwork. Place the top covers in between the 2 upright posts in the space provided. Part 3. Assembling an add-on bay. While your helper holds the upright post with base feet connected, add a base shelf to stabilise the display. Then add all backing panels, this time attaching one side to the upright from your start bay to carry shelving across in a row. Top covers without sign holder slits simply sit on top of the gondola. Then put the post caps on every upright. Now add front kick plates and/or base drawers.
Your Versa gondola is now ready for merchandising.
Add clip-on data strips to secure the fence and display pricing to customers.
Visit our website or call us to order.
SI Retail, solutions in retail.